where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamu Gardens. So today we have few projects that we're going to be finishing off. The first one is this crocheting job. I started the beginning of October. I want it done by the end of October, but I missed my deadline, but it's almost done. So let's finish it off. What I am making here is a couch blanket, especially when you have those rainy days, rainy nights, and it's a little bit chilly. You have something to cover your legs. So it's not going to be like a heavy duty blanket. It's just going to be a light blanket that sits on the couch. So the colors I made it with is charcoal, gray, and white. The couches are gray, so these colors will fit in perfectly. That is it. It is done. So I started off with charcoal, then I broke it with white, then I went in with gray, break it with white, and gray, break it with white, and the finishing color was charcoal. So both ends I have charcoal. And I didn't realize how big it is. It can actually fit a double bed. It's a perfect size. I can use it for camping. I can use it for traveling if I'm going somewhere overnight. It's a perfect size. So what I have here is this basket. I bought this basket, and what it says, it is foldable baskets, but they don't look foldable to me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use them as planters. My concern is that this material, when it comes in contact with water, it will get damaged. So what I want to do now is have a packet, we call it a plastic, inside this basket to prevent them from getting in contact with water once I have my plant in here. So let's try it. These plastics are called butcher's bags. So I use them to store a lot of things in the fridge, fruits, vegetables, and meat. And it turned out to be the perfect size that fits this container, so this basket. So what I want to do, instead of putting one, I want to double it up. Let's use two in case one tears, then there is backup. I'm looking at these baskets and they are dancing a lot. Hopefully when we have a plant in, they will be stable because they're a little bit wobbly and bulging out at the bottom. So let's try it out with a plant. Doesn't that look amazing? I hope it stands. So let's try it out. Let's put it somewhere where it's flat surface and see how it stands. I'm gonna place it over here. You can see that bulge at the bottom, but when I have it down, it looks stable. It's not moving around. It is actually firm and stable, so we are good to go. I can continue with the rest. So here my teenage son was taking this protein powder and it's finished, and I see this empty bottle and I asked him, don't throw it away, cut it in half for me, I have a plan. So the next thing that I did, I just smoothed the edges so they are nice and smooth, and I did the same with both of them. So this is the bottom part and that is the top part. So what I'm using is only a string and glue. That's it. So I went ahead and glued the sides so that it can hold the string, and I am gonna roll the string around the bottle. We're gonna continue rolling the string until we get to the top of the bottle. We are almost at the end. So what we're gonna do is the last line, we're gonna glue the entire row. So we're gonna go around with the glue so that it can hold this string. I'm gonna cut the string and glue it in. That's it, guys. New planter for free. I went ahead and finished off the other half of the bottle. So this is the bottle, and then was cut in half, and voila, 2 planters made from this bottle. Okay, let's see how they look. I'm so excited. I have a plant here, so let's see. And it fits. Wow, it's perfect. It fits perfectly. It goes well with this plant, with the silver lines. It's amazing. Let's try the second one. Wow, the snake plant fit exactly where that lid is. It's a perfect fit, like a glove. What? Looking at it from the sides, it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you soon.